Our top story: after hours of dramatic showdown between Imran Khan supporters and the police outside his Lahore residence, Imran Khan has now signed a bond to appear in court on the 18th of March. Yesterday, the police and the supporters of Imran Khan fought pitched battles when the police came to arrest him. Imran Khan's party, the PTI, said that Imran Khan had signed a surety bond to appear in court on the 18th of this month. Khan slammed the government for planning his arrest and said that this is all part of a quote-unquote London plan to finish all cases against the country's ex-Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif. In a video message, Imran Khan said a lawyer tried to deliver the bond to the senior police officer who was there to arrest him.
आज मैंने एक अंडरटेकिंग दी इश्तियाक खान जो कि लाहौर हाई कोर्ट के प्रेसिडेंट हैं, उन्होंने श्योरिटी बॉन्ड दिया जाके कोशिश की डीआईजी को देने के लिए जो मुझे अरेस्ट करने आ रहा था। वो उन्होंने पब्लिक स्टेटमेंट भी दी कि वो डीआईजी जान के नहीं मिला। और जो कोड ऑफ क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर है उसका जो सेक्शन 76 है उसके मुताबिक अगर ये श्योरिटी बॉन्ड दे दिया जाता है जो अरेस्टिंग ऑफिसर है, उसके बाद वो अरेस्ट नहीं कर सकता। और मैंने क्या श्योरिटी बॉन्ड दिया कि मैं 18 को जो मैंने पहले से भी कहा हुआ था, 18 को मैं अदालत में पेश होऊंगा। इसके बाद अब इसका कोई जवाब नहीं है अरेस्ट करने का।
Tuesday was a day of high-voltage political drama in Pakistan. Protests broke out in all major Pakistani cities as police tried to arrest Imran Khan from his Lahore residence. Hundreds of Imran Khan supporters gathered almost immediately at his Zama Park residence and clashed with the police. A court in the capital, Islamabad, had issued an arrest warrant against the former Prime Minister in connection with the State Depository case. Khan has been in the crosshairs for buying gifts, including an expensive wristwatch he had received as the Premier at a discounted price from the State Depository called the Toshakhana, which he later sold for profit. That's the allegation against him. Khan's aide, Shah Mahmood Qureshi, said that the former Prime Minister had secured protective bail. Imran Khan has been embroiled in several court cases since his ousting early last year in a parliament vote of no confidence. Khan has been demanding a snap election in protest rallies across the country. Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has said that the vote would be held as scheduled later this year. Meanwhile, in London, supporters of Imran Khan gathered outside the residence of former Pakistan Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif to protest. In a video shared on social media, the group could be seen holding Pakistani flags and chanting slogans outside the apartment in London. For the very latest on this, we are now joined by our Pakistan Bureau Chief Anas Malik from Islamabad. Anas, thanks very much for joining us. Imran Khan has said that the claim of arrest was just a sham. The real intention was to kidnap and kill. Those are strong allegations. He also said that a senior police officer of the rank of the DIG refused to accept the surety bond. What are the police saying as far as the warrant against Imran Khan and his surety bond is concerned?
Well, the police are yet to respond to that, Rohit, but largely or broadly speaking, his surety bond hold no value. For one very reason, has he been complying with the court orders or the court directives? The answer is no. When his lawyers moved to the Islamabad High Court earlier last week seeking the suspension of the warrant, the court gave him 4 days and asked the session judge to proceed in case if Imran Khan fails to appear on or before the 14th of March. That was yesterday. Imran Khan's lawyers went to the session court, to the same session court, sought an adjournment, sought an exemption from in-person presence. Of course, that was rejected. So it is Imran Khan on his part who has not been compelling or complying with the court orders. And that is what the bigger problem is right now. His assurance or his surety would be having some legal value, but the court will have to see, or the police will have to see, does it have a moral binding? And the answer is no. So even that point came up today, a short while back, when Khwaja Haris, Imran Khan's lawyer, went up to the rostrum in courtroom number 1 of the Islamabad High Court, and Chief Justice Amir Farooq of the Islamabad High Court had raised exactly the same question which I just referred to. He said that the court had given the directives. Were those directives complied with? And the answer was no. Khwaja Haris has said that there are some legal arguments that the court would want to listen to, and therefore the petition should be fixed for hearing. There was some objections initially beginning with the biometrics, then the issue of the fact that there were some tickets which were missing. So the court did take up the petition after a short while back with the objections. The court has given 3 days to Imran Khan's lawyers to remove those objections, but those objections are likely to be removed in the next hour or so, and the matter, so that the matter can be taken up again. Meanwhile, Imran Khan's party men or lawyers from his party have also filed before the Lahore High Court seeking the Punjab police to restrain from further action outside his residence. Rohit?
Interesting developments there. Anas, the second claim by Imran Khan, calling his attempted arrest part of a London plan to finish all cases against Nawaz Sharif. Now, put this claim in perspective for our viewers. What does he mean by this, and has Sharif's party reacted to this claim?
No, there hasn't been any reaction from the government or any party party which is directly or indirectly involved. But that being said, claims of a London plan is not new to Pakistani politics. You start from 1977, you come to 2014 when the dharna, when Imran Khan was at the aggressing end and not at the receiving end rather, and he was going ahead against the then government back in 2014, and back then also there was this quote London plan unquote, because at that point of time it was alleged that the former DGISI Imran Khan and Tahirul Qadri, another opposition member, had met and had been conspiring to dethrone the government, the Sharif government at that point of time. Now, interestingly, the tables have turned, and Imran Khan is now alleging the same modus operandi against him, and now he says that there is a plan allegedly that is there to kill him, to please Nawaz Sharif, and that has been guaranteed to Nawaz Sharif, who is in London for the past 3 years, almost 3 years now. So that is something that we are yet to see a reaction on, but largely that this is more to do with the political rhetoric that has been ongoing and that has been peddled by Imran Khan. Of course, any substantiation to that, any evidence being circulated to that is far from reality, and we would probably be seeing this political rhetoric being carried forwarded so that it can become that resonation among the masses in case if Imran Khan has to face an arrest. Rohit?
Anas, I want to ask you about the politics within Imran Khan's party, PTI. Is there now a hunt for a potential successor for Imran Khan? Are there leaders within the PTI projecting themselves as the next chairman of PTI?
Well, there have been potential candidates who have been not just since the past 24 hours, but who've been time and again projecting themselves to be as the successor or the heir of the throne in case if Imran Khan goes to the jail, starting from the former foreign minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi, is also the vice chairperson of the party, then Asad Umar, the party secretary general, the recently nominated president Parvez Ilahi, and others. But Imran Khan has interestingly made a 6-member emergency PTI committee, the nominations of which have not come public as yet, and in case if he is arrested, he says that this 6-member committee would be looking after party's day-to-day affairs. But one thing that is very certain is that PTI remains Imran Khan, and it would not be able to operate or function in unity or in unanimity in case Imran Khan is dethroned or Imran Khan is put out of the picture.
One final question to you, Anas. What is the situation in Lahore at the moment? Are there more protests planned by Imran Khan's party, the PTI? What is their plan going forward?
Well, the situation in Lahore is pretty tense even now. Hours have passed, roughly 19-20 hours have passed since the first siege began, which saw yesterday when the APC, the armored personnel carrier, was moved in. But after that, we've seen that things have escalated. Shelling continues. Imran Khan, a short while back, has alleged that gunfire was also resorted to by the police officials over there. That is a mere allegation. The police say that they are disarmed. They only have anti-riot gear and shells. That's it. But that being said, shelling continues in distance. There are a number of PTI supporters who are there, and if I talk to you across the country, there are sporadic protests that continue across the country, be here in Islamabad, in the peripheries of Islamabad, in the peripheries of Rawalpindi, in Pakistan's biggest city, the port city of Karachi, or even in Lahore and Peshawar. So one we have to keep in mind, Imran Khan is the most popular leader across the country as per a Gallup survey. So the protests or this backlash, this ripple effect that we're seeing is not something that is unexpected. Rohit?
All right, Anas Malik, thanks very much for joining us with those details from Islamabad.